Hey everyone, welcome to the Feed Mzansi, your go-to spot for the latest updates. If you enjoy staying up to date, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. So guys, popular Limpopo star Shebeshit will spend Christmas and New Year behind bars after the court denied him bail. Shebeshit has been denied bail by the Polokwane Magistrates Court. The 30-year-old musician, whose real name is Lehlohonolo Chauke, appeared in court on 13 November 2025 following an alleged road rage incident that took place in October. Shebeshit is facing serious charges including 3 counts of attempted murder, robbery with aggravating circumstances, assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm, and possession of an unlicensed firearm. During the bail hearing, the state revealed that some of the alleged offenses were committed while Chauke was already out on bail for another case, despite strict conditions barring him from committing further crimes. The court ruled that the accused showed a disregard for the law and warned that his release could threaten public order. As a result, Shebeshit will remain behind bars over the festive season. The case has been postponed to 18 February 2026 for further proceedings. That's it for now. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Tweka. Wale kumpusheta marao. Tweka wale.